Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Today's video is going to be a review on the, I want to say new because it's not new, it came out like earlier this year, but the Creme of Nature shampoo, the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I did recently just get this inside of a curl box, so I'm going to review the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the twisting cream. So if you want to see my thoughts on these products, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm starting off on some this is 7-day-old dirty wash and go. Washed my hair last Sunday, today is Sunday, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair really quick, and then I'll be back to shampoo on camera to show you guys my thoughts on the camera. On the camera. Show you guys my thoughts of the shampoo on camera. Alright, so this is what the shampoo looks like. It comes in a bottle looking like, you know, like a honey bottle. Mine focused like a honey bottle here. So my hair is already wet, so I'm going to go ahead and just apply it like I normally do. I usually put the focus of shampoo on my scalp, so that's what I'm going to do here. And of course, if you hear baby, you already know who it is. Mila's in her playpen while Mama's filming. So to run it consistency, I'm going to go ahead and focus this on my scalp. On contact, it feels very good to my scalp. Don't really have a strong smell to it either. My hair still feels very soft while the shampoo is in there, so I don't feel like it's stripping my hair, but the real test will be how it feels when I rinse it all out. So I'm going to go ahead, and it has a great lather to it. So far I'm pleased with the shampoo. Alright, so I rinsed out the shampoo. My hair feels very soft, and I like the way my hair feels. It doesn't feel stripped, it feels very soft and still moisturized. So next I'm going to go in with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Hair Mask. Moisture replenish and strengthen hair mask. So, and even though I put a lot of product on my hair, it was not hard to rinse out the shampoo. That's Mala. But my hair still feels very soft, like really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask real quick to my hair, and then hopefully this keeps my hair soft. And then I'll try to detangle it with this mask as well. We'll see how good it is and if it has a lot of slip. But this is what it looks like, and this is what the consistency of it is. It's kind of in between. It's more creamier. It's more of a creamy deep conditioner. So I'm gonna apply this to my hair. It has a strong alcohol smell to it. So I noticed that about the deep conditioner. It smells like alcohol. And there is alcohol in the ingredient, so hopefully this is not very drying to my hair, because alcohol is a drying agent and it dries hair out.
Shutterstock Music.
Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after I've applied all the mask in my hair. Like I said earlier, it has a strong alcohol smell, but it did penetrate in my hair pretty good. So I'm going to leave this in my hair while I go run to Walmart. And yes, I'm going to put a shower cap over my head and maybe like a bonnet or something. I'm not going to Walmart with a shower cap. Like, I'm going with a shower cap or something over my head. I'm not that girl to go around places looking like this. So I'm going to deep condition for about an hour and a half, and then I'll come back in and show you guys what my curls look like after that. Alright, I'm back. So I ran to Walmart and came back home, took a shower, rinsed my hair out, and so now I am about to go ahead and twist up my hair. It's like almost 10 o'clock, which my bedtime is usually 8:30, so I'm way over way past my bedtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair into like a protective style and wear it in twist for a couple of days, because I know my hair won't be dry in the morning when it comes down to taking it out before work. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair up using the Creme and the lock method. I detangled my hair with the conditioner in it, and it gave me some slip. It wasn't the best slip I've ever had in my life, but I was able to. It got the job done. I got to detangle my hair with it. So I kept my hair in twist as I rinsed it out, just so you know it'll be easier for me to section my hair and so it won't get tangled again. So I went ahead and twisted these smaller 2 sections up. So I'm gonna start with the aloe vera juice, just to kind of re-wet this and use this as my leave-in. Just make sure that gets all saturated into my hair. And I'm going to give myself like I'm going to dust my ends because they need to be dusted. I haven't got a trim or anything since March. So it's kind of, it's time. So after I do that, I'm going to take the leave-in conditioner. I actually had to switch to tops because the spray on it wouldn't spray. So I just took it off of the detangler. And I'm going to just take literally a little, like that much of the leave-in. Because I don't want my hair to be too heavy, but I want it to be moisturized. So I'm going to put that in it. On top of the liquid, I'm going to put a leave-in cream as well. And then I'm going to take a little swoop of the twisting cream, emulsify it in my palms, and then just kind of spread it through this section all the way through to make sure it penetrates my hair shaft. Then I'm going to go in with some avocado oil to seal in the moisture. And then you guys know I always go in with a dimming brush to detangle my hair. This is kind of just like makes my hair have the best twist outs ever. So after I am done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just do a 2-strand twist. And then once I get to the ends is where you can kind of see, I'm going to just keep twirling them until I get to the very ends, and then I'm going to show you how I dust my ends. So I just kind of make it one curl, or try to make it a curl, but you see how it's not really curling? It's because those ends are not the best. If I could do this on camera. So I'm going to just like take about that much off and just snip it. So now it kind of forms a better curl. Alright, so I just finished twisting my whole head. I don't know how many twists I have on my hair, but I finished twisting it all and dusting all of my ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed because it's after 10 o'clock and I'm tired. So tomorrow I'll show you guys how I do it in protective style, and then I should take them out on Tuesday because today's Sunday. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, and hopefully this comes out good. Alright, so today's the next morning. I just literally just turned my hair, twisted my hair going back into like a twisted style. So this is how I'm gonna wear my hair today to work. I'm gonna use some of the edge control gel here just to lay down my edges around the front part, and then tie it down with a scarf, and then I'll be on my way. My hair is still wet because I didn't it's 6 o'clock and I went to bed at 10 p.m. after 10:30 last night. So
Shutterstock Music.
alright guys, so it's the next morning. I think my hair is dry. I took my twist out of the little flat twist thingy last night, and some of them kind of came apart, as you can see, but there's still some definition there. So I don't know how this twist out is going to come out, but
Shutterstock Music.
Alright, so all my twists are out, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not very impressed with this, the way that it came out. I'm not really sure if it's because I, flat twisted it back to kind of stretch my twists or what, but there's not really a lot of definition there, but my hair does feel moisturized. So before I give a final, thought on it, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick my roots out. Alright, so this is what my hair pretty much looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges with the edge gel. I do like this because my edges pretty much stayed all day yesterday whenever I had them. I won't say gel down, but when I had them, tamed, they kind of stayed the whole day. So the edge gel is a yes for me. Alright, I kind of zoomed back a little bit because I felt like it was too close out of frame. It wasn't really showing my hair, but this is what my hair came out looking like from the twist out using the twisting cream. Not my best twist out, but I mean it'll do for today. Shampoo, yes. Conditioner, deep conditioner, yes, besides the smell, the strong smell. The twisting cream, the leave-in conditioner. My hair feels moisturized, but I just don't feel like there's definition there. So, alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I will look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.